What's up, my Pacific Northwest enthusiasts? Welcome to another video. Now, first off, congratulations to the winners of the hiking gear giveaway. I hope you like the gear and make really good use of it. Maybe I'll do another one when I hit like 5K subs. I don't know, we'll see. But today I am super excited because I'll be hiking a trail that I haven't done before. I am on the eastern side of the Columbia River Gorge on the Washington side, where I'll be hiking the Skyline Viewpoint Trail. It's a 5-mile loop. Now, miles 0.5 to 1 on this trail, we're gonna hit some serious elevation gain, about 12 to 1,300 feet, but it will all be worth it because once we hit the high point, we're gonna have some serious, amazing views overlooking the Columbia River Gorge and Mount Hood from the pictures I've seen. So can't wait to get up there. And then after that, the trail should be all downhill. Now, I am really happy that we have a clear day out, so we should have some amazing views. All right, guys, you don't want to miss it. Pacific Northwest. Let's get going. All right, guys, so I made it to the high point of Skyline Viewpoint. Gonna take a little rest from the climbing I did. I'm gonna break out the drone and get some really nice shots of the gorge. And I got Mount Hood clear view right in front of me. So these are gonna be some killer views. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I am super impressed with this trail. Can't wait to come back and do it again. Now, out of all the trails that I've hiked, this one definitely had one of the best views overlooking the Columbia River Gorge. Plus, you get that fantastic view of Mount Hood. And it was completely unexpected to see that gorgeous view of Mount Adams. I would have never seen it without the drone, so that was a really nice surprise. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on those views and the drone footage. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel because I want you to continue to adventure with me in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. And I'm gonna take you to see even more scenic views, mountains, lakes, rivers, waterfalls. So, till next video, take care.